Hello friends, welcome to Top 10 India. We all have at least once wished to experience a paranormal phenomena. Many such places in India are said to be haunted by evil spirits, and their stories will surely send chills down to your spine. Here are the list of 5 such destinations in India where you can experience the paranormal. Rajkiran Hotel of Lonavala may be small, but it is full of mystery. In certain rooms and areas, guests have experienced many supernatural events. Many customers have complained that their bed sheets were forcefully pulled off at night, or they woke up to an unexplained blue ray near the bed. Guests often complain of feeling someone's presence at night and ask the hotel staff to change their rooms. However, there are some people who willingly stay at this hotel to experience the paranormal activity. The Baruk Tunnel, also known as Tunnel number 33, with a length of 1143 meters, is the longest tunnel in the Kalka-Shimla railway. Colonel Baruk, a railway engineer, was assigned the work of tunnel number 33. Due to his miscalculation, the tunnel was incomplete. He was fined and humiliated at work. Ultimately, he shot himself in the tunnel. The locals believe that the good colonel still haunts the place, and many people have reported hearing him in the confines of his death place. Some people also report a woman screaming and running into the tunnel. Bhangar Fort, Rajasthan is the only place in India that government has acknowledged being haunted. The locals say no one has ever returned from this fort who dared to stay there after sunset. As the legend goes, a tantric named Singhia fell in love with Princess Ratnavati, also known as Jewel of Rajasthan. He tried using magic to win over her, but the princess ordered her guards to execute him. Before his death, he cursed the residents of the fort to die and the villagers to remain without shelter. Many villages in the city are roofless. Even if a roof is built, it collapses soon after. The haunted Bhangar Fort is renowned worldwide. In the dense forest of Mussoorie lies the infamous Paritippa. This place is prone to many lightning strikes. Locals say 2 lovers were once killed by the same lightning and were burnt alive. The bodies were recovered after some days, and now their spirits roam together in this entire forest. Visitors have claimed to have seen fairies as well. The locals advise you to avoid going there. Ruskin Bond has mentioned these forests in many of his stories. The haunted downhill of Karsiong is also known as the Valley of Beautiful Orchids. About 30 kilometers from Darjeeling, it is known for its beautiful gardens and sceneries. Besides the beauties, the hill station has a dark reputation. It is perceived to be a ghost town. Somewhere deep in the forest lies the Death Road. Many woodcutters and visitors have reported being followed by a headless boy and a woman in a grey dress. There is also a 100-year-old Victoria Boys High School which remains closed for the winter. The locals report hearing loud whisperings and footsteps. Many people say they have seen the headless boy around the school and on the premises. Friends, that's all for today. Hope you liked our video. Do leave your feedback and ideas for future videos in the comments. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content ahead. Thank you.